Everybody, welcome back to Max class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, the third lesson, Roman numerals. Take out the page number 20 in your textbook. Roman numerals. The Roman numerals, Roman numeral system is the most ancient and popular form of writing numbers. It was developed by Romans thousands of years ago. Okay, so the Roman numeral system is a ancient and popular form of writing numbers, and it was developed by Romans. And in the system, 7 letters of the alphabet are used to represent the numbers. How many? 7 letters. We are using 7 letters, alphabetic letters of letters are representing for numbers. So what are they? You can see the table down here. All capital letters only. I is represent 1, and V is represent 5, X is represent 10, L is represent 50, C is represent 100, D is represent 500, and M is represent 1000. So what are the letters? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. Once more we will read. I is represent 1, V 4 5, X 4 10, L 4 50, C 400, D 4 500 and M 4000. So these are the letters we are using in Roman numerals. So nowadays Roman numbers are used to numbers to faces of clocks, to list important topics in outlines, etc. Right? Yes, all numbers are written using either a single letter or a combination of different letters. Look at here, children, rules for reading Roman numerals. So here let us now learn how to represent numbers 1 to 50. In this chapter you are learning how to represent 1 to 50 numbers using Roman numeral system. Okay, so first we have some rules. We have to see some rules for reading Roman numerals. Rule 1: if the symbol is represented more than one time, then we add its numeric value that many times. Look at here. Here two I are there, right? So one I represent 1, right? So 2I means 2. We call 2 number 2. And here 3I are there. 1 2 3. So 3 means what is the number? 3. 3 times you have to repeat the number. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3. Okay. Now x is, what is x is represent 10. So 2x are there. 10 plus 10, you have to add both 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So 2x is equal is means 2x means 20. And 3x means 10 10 10 10 plus 10 plus 10 30. Okay, so this is the way you have to read the numbers. Okay, the 2I is called 2, 3I is 3, and 2x, x1x is 10, 2x is 20, 3x is 30. Okay, only letters I, X, C and M can be repeated. Only these letters can repeated. So I is repeating 2 times here, here 3 times. Okay, so I, X, C and M can be repeated. Letters V, L and D are never repeated. You can't repeat the letter V, L and D. 10 is not written as, see here, 10 we can't write V and V. V is 5, right? V represent 5. 10 you can write 5 VV. That means 5 plus 5 is 10. So we can't write V as repeated. We can write only one time. So that's what the to represent 10 we write X. For that we are writing X for 10. Okay, so this V, L and D are never repeated. Okay, next page. A symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times in a row. We can't write more than 3 times in one symbol. See, for representing 3 I are there, right? 3 I is acceptable. But for 4, writing 4, we will not use 4 L's, 4 I's. You can't write I 4 times. Okay, so in each letter you can write only 3 times in a row, 3 times only. So here we can't use 4 times. Similarly, 40 cannot be repeated as 10, 10, 10, 10. You can't write 4x. Only 3 times only you can write each alphabet. Okay, now rule 2. What is rule 2? When a letter having a small volume written to the right of letter having greater value. So you look at here, add the numeric value of the smaller number to get to the numeric value of a great number. So what is this here? The number. What is this number? See, first is V. V means 5. So V plus I. That means 5 plus 1. What is the number? 6. Okay. Now here, this what we call 11. 11, how to read? 11 means X. X means 10. 10 plus I means 1. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 we write as XI. XI. Now L. What is L? L is 50. See the table. L is 50. 50 plus 1, 51. Li, 51. And C. What is C? C is 100. Ci means 100 plus 1, 101. Okay, next XV. X, what is X? X is 10. 10V. V means 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 15. Next XV. X means 10. 10 plus, next 10, 10 plus. V means 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. Next XXX5. XXXV. X means 10, right? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, 35. Next LX. L means 50. L plus X. X means 10. 50 plus 10, 60. Next LXV. L means 50. X means 10 and V means 5. 50 plus 10 plus 5. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 5, 65. Okay. This is the way we have to write in Roman letters.